Hi there, and welcome to Cardiophiles. This is episode 1 of our series on basics and anatomy. Today we'll be talking about the basics of the structure and function of the heart. So, what is the heart? Well, you probably know that it's an organ, roughly the size of your fist, which is found around the centre of your chest, but slightly to the left. The heart is roughly cone-shaped, with its base positioned upwards and tapering to the apex, which is just left of the sternum. This means that the left lung is often smaller to accommodate, and contains a cardiac notch. An adult heart usually weighs about 250 to 350 grams, so that's about as heavy as a can of soup. It's the driving force of an organ system, the circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, whose job it is to transport substances around the body. These substances include oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients such as amino acids and mineral ions, as well as hormones as chemical messengers. And the heart acts as a pump to allow these substances to be transported. We'll go into more detail about the system in a later video. The heart is located in your chest, at the level of thoracic vertebrae, T5 to T8, which is also about from the level of the sternal angle to the xiphisternum, also known as the xiphoid process. And it's contained in the central compartment of the thoracic cavity, called the mediastinum, which is attached to the pericardium, a double membrane sac which contains the heart. Inside the heart, it is split into two sides, separated by the septum, which allow for the double circulatory system, and each side contains two chambers, an atrium and a ventricle. Each chamber has a different role, and the atria and ventricles of each side are separated through valves. These ensure that blood always enters the heart through the atria, then to the ventricles, and then is pumped out, rather than any backflow happening. The heart wall is made of multiple layers of tissue, including a muscular tissue, called the myocardium, which is important for the heart to contract and relax. So, here's a basic overview of the structure and function of the heart. We'll go into more detail in later videos. Let's just recap what we've learned. The heart is an organ made of lots of tissues, which is the driving force of the circulatory system. It is located in the centre of the chest, at around the level of T5 to T8, and is a cone shape pointing downwards and slightly to the left. It is contained in a compartment of the thoracic cavity called the mediastinum, which runs between the two pleuri, and it is made of 4 chambers, left and right atria and ventricles. So, thank you for watching this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe for more cardiology videos. Join us next time for an in-depth look at the chambers of the heart. But for now, I will see you all later.